Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. This is going to be a quick video on how I did these mini braids. It's been a while since I've done mini braids, but at the point of doing this video, I had decided to straighten my hair twice within 2 months myself, so I ended up giving myself heat damage. So if you're wondering why my hair is straight, that's why. I'm starting off with 4 sections. I'm going to spritz my hair with water, apply product, and then detangle my hair with a Denman brush. When doing my mini braids, I use 2 finger width sections as my guide. After parting my hair into 2 finger width sections, I pre-section my hair for each individual braid and then pin up all but one section. I do 1/4 of my head at a time, usually starting in the back. Once one side is complete, you don't need your fingers as a guide anymore. You just follow the parts from the completed side, then pre-section and braid as before. When it comes to the front of my head, I like to pre-section the entire 4th of my head so that I'm not left with a section that is too skinny, making the braids in that particular section skinnier than the rest. And here's the finished product. It looks pretty thin compared to how it usually looks when I don't have heat damage, but I did wear it straight for a couple days and then I decided to go ahead and curl it. And before I went ahead and curled it, I clipped my ends. On a scale of 1 to 10, how concentrated do I look right here? Of course, it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't go back in and show you exactly how my hair ended up being parted. In order to curl my hair, I use the white and purple perm rods, 2 to 3 braids per rod. And yes, I did wear my hair like this for the entire time until I washed my hair. I don't even think I separated it. It might be a little old lady-ish, but I thought it was cute. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.